see my cousin.
He's already just started.
He already made an investment. So yeah, this one over here is called White Gardens, White Park Gardens. Yeah, like, I don't know. Other people chose to name it.
Wow.
As you can see, the price of state over here. We have
Wow.
security. Yeah, like. You see, we don't want too many people over here. Don't worry, you're not gonna have too many neighbors. It's gonna be more gates.
When you stay in a place like this, you could see, like, even though in your average folks,
let's check that one. Thank you. Actually, you're right.
it's not like your average folk, so you're a bit well up.
Now,
so
an apartment over here will do you around like 75. Well, not an apartment, a mansion over here will actually rent 75k a month.
It's like £500, £400.
Yeah.
You know, for a place like this.
And you could
And that's what we're trying to do right now.
£400.
You've already seen the places that we've got in South. We were showing you what we've got over here in Utawala. It's a budding economy over here, growing economy. There's going to be another city just next to the airport, not too far.
You can see they're still finishing up. So the earlier you come in, the better your prices are.
Of course.
Because
Oh, yes.
and this one here was 5 years in development.
you've got...
Move the mud. If you've got mud issues, you know, you look at the house. You know what I mean? Respect the thorough.
Now this is what, the sitting room? This is marble floors. Yeah. You have a tap. This is your whole kitchen.
But we also have a back garden.
This is what you'll be getting. So something around here for about £600 a month. This is like 70,000 a month.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're looking at 6 or 5.
The guest bedroom over here. It's spacious.
This is guest bathroom.
Don't worry, there's
They're still fixing.
Still going for it.
Yeah. It's probably your child's bedroom.
Yeah, this one you give to the kids or your guests, because actually there's more rooms upstairs.
Yeah.
But there's a back garden, you want to check out the back garden.
Nice finishing.
Oh, no.
Come over here, have a dog, you know, there's more space, there's SQ.
So if you're coming this way.
It's your 7 quarters.
Yeah.
Oh, they call it 7?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Your staff
Your
quarters.
staff quarters.
Or it can be your office.
Or your office. It could be your personal office. There's a bathroom here.
Or it can be your music studio, if you're a musician.
Shower here as well.
So all in ensuite.
Ensuite. It could be an office or 7 quarters if you live like that.
Wow.
You can't even just rent it out to someone.
Yeah.
So the garden is what you're limited compared to the house.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna fix. But we're gonna put some
So
tiles
you can
over
see,
here.
but you can see your neighbors right there, and you're affluent. So when you're drinking tea, you say hello. Probably have a nice little drink and say, "How you doing? I know you're spying on me, but it's okay. I
You
love
can
you
also put a
too."
fence there if you guys don't want to see it. Yeah.
So now you go upstairs.
Look at the stairs. Look at the finish. Yeah. So you've got a bit more space there. Look at the finish.
And this is a home made by Kenyans.
For
For everyone. For everyone.
Man.
Please come and invest.
understand they're still doing the finish, but you can see how before the other one finishes, you can choose to have a lift.
Yeah, it's the second living room.
This is the
Second living room.
Just in case, you know, I don't know.
Wow.
Or you can it's a gym.
So this is your first floor. You've got a balcony.
It can be a gym or your teeth. This is obviously not the best place if you have toddlers.
You've got the Serengeti behind you, so you can see some birds, bird and life. Today they're having a little break.
This is land now.
know?
Like, now you guys can buy land. We don't have neighbors over here.
If you want to buy more land, you acquire up here. This is a good place to actually look at buying land because it's developing as far as eyes can
What we're going
see.
to do is we're going to put some malls over there.
So this makes you feel the difference between your money